We got LivSangster in the building. Waterfalls. I haven't heard anything of her solo yet. But I mean, what I have heard of her, I haven't heard anything studio of her actually. Um, hmm, okay, cool. Shoot. Well, this is LivSangster Waterfalls live, and just so y'all know, we do have the Quality Shit Christmas raffle going on with your chance to win quality shit. You feel? Go ahead, hit that link in the description, aka the gray box right below the video, or the comment that everybody surpassed. Which, by the way, the comment that everybody surpasses that says requests and God bless. Well, yeah, it says special request and contact, I believe. That has the link. That is where we take all special requests. Every like I don't even have like the capability of responding to all the quote unquote requests that go through in the comment, because I've said it time and time again that we don't take requests through the comment, but they keep coming in through the comments. But I've just stopped responding because I guess people don't listen. But we only take special requests through the link that you bypass to comment, or the link in the description. So with that being said, I'm hoping to hear some quality shit, which I know I will, because I freaking love LivSangster's voice. So let's get into it. Like button, subscribe button. Before we even get started, I'm gonna give you time. Yeah, it's not that hard. See, I did it. I just did it. Boop. See, yep. All right, here we go. Oh, I was confused AF. She using that loop pedal. By the way, that low-key looks like Virginia Beach, if I'm not mistaken. I mean, I know it's obviously not, but it kind of reminds me of it. Missions, oh, memories, they fade and go, they fade and fall. Listen to your breath in the waterfall, waterfall. Stories, they came and went, I let them fall, I let them fall. We share my jury kept me alive in my mind. Hey, she always got that breakdown where she be hitting that beatbox, or what I've seen thus far, she be loving that beatbox. It be killing me. Like, she be killing it every time. I love it. I love to see it. But once again, I cannot stress this enough. She has a very unique voice, and that is dope as hell. Like it, I have no other words. It's simply fucking dope. Stories, they came and went, I let them fall like a waterfall. Listen to your breath and let it all. Stories, they came and I low-key wish they had a better quality to record her, because it's, I mean, sometimes when the when the mopeds be passing by, it's kind of excuse me, kind of hard to hear. But I mean, from what I'm hearing thus far, quality. Is this her song? Um, yeah, is this her song or is she doing like a cover? Because I know with the Big Push and other stuff like that, excuse me, I've they've done some covers and stuff, but I'm unfamiliar with it. I am unfamiliar with it. She would be a mean ass bass player. She has the qualities of a mean ass bass player. I will give her that. I mean, she dope on guitar too, but I was just thinking when she was like plucking and shit and did a little slap here and there like that. Yeah. I see it. You see the vision. We here. The hell?
I was just one more, and freedom is the day of my dream. I'll be breaking up the truth to find
I'm so mad because it could be just me. It could be just me right now. Hold on.
stories to that I'm waking up my mind to let it all be inside of my demise as I go. I open up my eyes. This isn't the way of the world. For my body and my head, walk as I die.
Okay, I think it's slightly just me, but I'm having a hard time like deciphering her words sometimes. But I mean, from what I'm hearing, it is, it is dope. I'm kind of I am slightly not perplexed, but I'm like flustered a little bit that I just want to hear. I want to hear it with clarity.
I let the world fly in my arms.
Or louder. She using that loop pedal in the right way though. Okay then, go ahead. She know what she doing. Hey. Cheers, man. That's dope. I got lost in the sauce for a second, but all around, dope, 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 dope. It's a vibe. It's a vibe. It's really a vibe. Hopefully, y'all get to hear some better um studio stuff, maybe, or some stuff not on the shore where it's windy. But overall, did not disappoint because I enjoy live either way. So, cool beans, man. Like I said, we work hard to keep things organized for you guys. So, please, if you have a special request, go ahead and put it in the um, link in the description because I would love to go back through and comment back to you guys. But there's a lot to pass over when it's in the comments. So, like I said, out of respect for the team and myself, please go ahead and put it in the comments. If not, go ahead, give it a like. If you like it, if you don't, then awesome. Just go search around, man. Look at the other videos. We got hella videos and we got hella more. So, y'all stick around and we'll catch you on the next one.